Picture this. You're at a job interview. The interviewer walks in and says,
How's it going today?
and you just freeze. Complete silence. They wait. You wait. Nobody speaks.
Ouch.
This happens to English learners every day. Small talk feels impossible, but it doesn't have to be. Hello, everyone. I'm Laura.
And I'm Ethan. Welcome to Smooth English.
If you love learning English, hit subscribe now.
Today we're talking about small talk. It's those first few minutes of conversation.
Right, before the real conversation starts.
And Laura, you used to hate small talk.
Oh my goodness, yes. I was terrible. I remember this one coffee shop situation.
Tell us.
So I'm waiting in line. This friendly person says, "How's it going?" I panicked. I said, "Yes, thank you."
Oh no, that doesn't work.
Exactly. They look so confused. But here's the thing. How's it going isn't really a question.
Right, it's just a greeting, like saying hello.
The perfect answer is simple. Good, thanks. How about you? That's it.
Brilliant. Now here's another useful expression. What do you do for fun?
But let me give you a more detailed example. So instead of just, "Good, thanks. How about you?" you could say, "Good, thanks. It's been a busy but productive day. How about you?"
Oh, I love this one. It's perfect for parties or meeting new people.
That gives them something specific to respond to. It shows you're willing to share, which makes them more comfortable sharing too. Much better than, "What's your job?" That's boring.
Exactly. When someone asks, "What do you do for fun?" they're showing real interest. And here's a pro tip for what do you do for fun. Instead of just asking the question, you can share first. Like, "I've been really into hiking lately. What do you do for fun?" You can talk about hobbies, sports, cooking, anything you enjoy. Now, here's your homework.
Exactly. And here's what not to do. Don't ask really personal questions right away, like, "Are you married?" or "How much money do you make?" Save those for when you know someone better.
Ooh, homework time!
Right. Stick to safe topics. The weather, of course, but also travel, food, movies, books, local events. These are conversation gold mines. Practice these 2 expressions today. Use them with friends, family, even strangers. Comment below and tell us how it went.
But wait, there's something surprising about small talk.
Oh, what's that?
Most native speakers hate it too. We all find it awkward sometimes.
Really? That's actually quite comforting.
Right. So don't worry if you feel nervous. Everyone does. The trick is having responses ready.
I know what you mean.
Perfect. This shows you understand and agree.
For example, someone says, "Traffic was terrible today." You respond, "I know what you mean. It's always busy on Fridays."
That's so interesting. Let me give you more examples. Someone says, "I can't believe how expensive gas is now." You say, "I know what you mean. I spent $50 to fill up my tank yesterday."
Oh, this one's magical. It keeps conversations alive. And remember, it's not just what you say, it's how you say it. Smile when you speak. Make eye contact. Keep your arms uncrossed. Your body language should say, "I'm friendly and approachable."
That's so interesting. They'll tell you more.
Exactly. People love talking about themselves. This expression encourages them.
And you sound genuinely interested, even if
you're not. That's the secret.
But wait, there's more coming up.
Now let's talk about practical situations. The elevator, the bus stop, the office kitchen.
Right. All those awkward moments where silence feels weird.
By the way,
This one's brilliant. It helps you change topics smoothly.
For example, you're talking about weather, then you say, "By the way, what do you do for fun?"
See how naturally that flows? By the way is like a bridge.
perfect. Now let's practice all 5 expressions together. Ready?
Let's do it.
Imagine you meet someone new.
Good, thanks. How about you?
They mention something, you say, "That's so interesting." They feel good.
They complain about traffic. You say, I know what you mean.
Then you change topics. By the way, what do you do for fun?
And that's it. 5 expressions. Endless conversations. Here's your second challenge.
Challenge time. Now let's practice with different scenarios. Ethan, you're at a coffee shop. I'm in line behind you. You turn around and...
Start 3 small talk conversations this week. Use all 5 expressions. Tell us in the comments what happened.
Hey, how's it going? This line is moving pretty slowly today. But there's one secret ingredient we haven't mentioned.
Good, thanks. How about you? And I know what you mean about the line. I guess everyone needs their caffeine fix this morning. By the way, what's your go-to drink here? Remember, small talk isn't about being perfect. It's about being friendly and showing interest.
Oh, I'm a simple guy, just a large black coffee. But I've been curious about those fancy seasonal drinks everyone's ordering. What about you?
Exactly. People don't remember your grammar mistakes. They remember how you made them feel.
I love the caramel macchiato. You should definitely try it if you're feeling adventurous. That's so interesting that you stick with black coffee. Most people I know need at least some cream or sugar. So use these 5 expressions. How's it going? What do you do for fun?
Perfect. Did you notice what just happened there? Laura used 4 of our 5 expressions in one natural conversation. Good, thanks. How about you? I know what you mean. By the way, and that's so interesting.
I know what you mean. That's so interesting. By the way,
Hey, have you been? Practice them. Use them. Most importantly, be kind to yourself.
morning. How's it going? Busy week so far? I'm definitely needing this second cup of coffee already.
Every native speaker was once nervous too. You're doing great.
Excellent. And here's something important. Know when small talk should end. If someone gives short answers or looks busy, that's a signal to wrap up politely. You might say, "Well, I should let you get back to work. Have a great day." If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications.
And remember, the best small talk happens when you really listen. Don't just wait for your turn to speak. When someone mentions they went hiking, ask, "Where did you go?" or "How was the trail?" Show genuine curiosity.
And comment below. Tell us which expression you'll try first.
Here's a cultural tip. In many English-speaking countries, people expect some small talk before getting to business. It's not wasting time, it's building rapport. In elevators, waiting rooms, or before meetings, a little friendly chat is normal and appreciated. Thanks for listening to Smooth English. I'm Laura.
And here's a bonus tip. If you want to keep a conversation going, use follow-up questions. Someone says, "I went to a great restaurant last night." Instead of just, "That's so interesting," you could add, "What kind of food was it?" or "Would you recommend it?"
And I'm Ethan. Keep practicing, keep smiling.
Perfect. Here's your advanced challenge. This week, try to extend one small talk conversation for at least 3 minutes. Use all our techniques, the 5 expressions, follow-up questions, and active listening. It's harder than it sounds, but so rewarding. See you next time. Bye, everyone.